Hello friends, your friend Jim is here to share more about English literature. Today I have selected the topic Robert Frost, an American poet once again. Let's start our video from the second slide. Robert Frost married with a girl named Eleanor Marion White. Marriage in 1895, died in 1938. Robert Frost settled in England in Buckinghamshire. In Gloucestershire, Robert Frost near neighbours were the poet, dramatist Leslie Abercrombie and the poet Wilfred Wilson Gibson. A Boy's Will, his first volume of poem. Book of People is Robert Frost's poetry. Robert Frost called his second book North of Boston. North of Boston was published in London in 1914. His family returned to US in February 1915. In England, he learned to abandon the conventional language of late Victorians. He bought a farm in New Hampshire, US, where he lived for 5 years. His third book, Mountain Interval, appeared in 1916. From 1916 to 1936, he spent most of his time in colleges and universities. At the death of his wife, he was about 64 years old. He owned 5 farms in Vermont, US. His poem New Hampshire, published in 1923. West Running book was published in 1928. Poem Witness Tree, published in 1992. He won Pulitzer Prize for 4 times. President Kennedy sent him as a representative of America to Soviet Union. He died in January 1963 due to a major surgical operation at the age of 88. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel to get more videos on English literature around the world.